Don't do a Hyperia update in half term, everybody. The M25 is packed. You're watching Ride Comparisons and we're back for another Hyperia update. We did our weekly one yesterday, so if you want more information about opening days and coaster specs, those updates are a little bit longer, but we're here today to just have a look and see what they've done. So let's go! Just making our way down site, guys. We've noticed that the crane's operational over there and it's picking up either some track or some supports, so we can see the arrival of something exciting today. Oh god, Jacob doesn't like the mud. Sky's calling me, something exciting's happening. Oh my god. Huh? The track for the stall? Oh, here it goes, guys. Another bit of the stall. Wow, wow. Let's get a better angle. Oh, I'm out of breath. This is the second day in a row we've arrived just as something exciting's happening. Oh, could we see the stall topped off today? Okay, so now I've caught my breath back a little bit. On yesterday's update, guys, we were up to this little support here. They put this one in. As you can see, they've got another one in there. They've got another two in there. And we now have this support structure going here, joining these two, meaning that I'm pretty sure now that they can finally finish the stall. Exciting times. Guys, check this out. There is so much happening today. This is awesome. If we look closely here into the Hyperia station, you can see the air gates. Soon we will be waiting behind these to queue up and get on Hyperia. Waiting behind those gates on opening day or whenever we get to ride it is going to be exciting. We also saw the crane over by the swarm earlier, probably picking up the last bit of the stall. So this is good. I'm so glad we came down today. Oh, it's so cool to see some track going once again. We are so excited for this coaster in England, guys. I mean, I know a lot of you think there's so many hypercoasters out there in Europe. Maybe it's not that exciting, but for us in England, we don't have anything else like this. We've got the big one at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, currently holding the UK's tallest coaster record, and it just feels like a speedy monorail. It doesn't feel like a proper hypercoaster, does it? No. But here we are. You know, this is an hour-and-a-half drive from where I live. Finally, the UK is getting a proper hypercoaster. With actual airtime, as Jacob says there. Oh my god, guys, arriving on site, the last bit of the stall. Oh, I can't quite see it at the moment on the camera. We're in the tree, there's trees in the way, but it's here. And we have liftoff. This is the last time we can say that they are installing the stall. It's cold, wet and windy down the Monk's Walk. We bumped into some viewers of the channel, they were very nice. And it looks like they've started to pack up. They were about to lift it up, but the MUP on the left unfortunately couldn't get into place properly. So it looks like they've run out of time. Oh, absolutely heartbreaking.
So annoying.
So on a side note guys, we got Jack Silkstone over there. So it's not just us that are disappointed that they haven't done the stall today. They've also been working on some drainage down here, and if we look over at the merch shop, it's gold on top now. Unfortunately, because that mute couldn't get positioned, it looks like today they're packing up. And you got a Jack Silkstone update coming soon. So unfortunately guys, that brings us to the end of today's update. We didn't get to see the stall completed unfortunately, but silver linings, we did get to see some track go in, and it does mean the stall will be completed tomorrow. So next week's update, lift hill, lift hill, lift hill, lift hill. We did see Jack Silkstone on site. He looked disappointed as well unfortunately, but these things happen. If you did enjoy today's update and or are enjoying the updates we have been doing, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.